Is your event registration process turning people away? Let's face it, if your registration experience isn't smooth, people drop off fast, and that hurts attendance before your event even begins. Struggling to get signups? For a full breakdown of the most common registration roadblocks and how to solve them, check out our blog, Overcoming Event Registration Challenges, Tips and Solutions for Event Planners. You'll find expert strategies and practical fixes. The link's in the description below. Let's take a closer look at the most critical challenges in event registration and how they impact your success. Challenge 1. Complicated registration forms. Too many fields, unclear questions, or clunky layout. That's a one-way ticket to abandon registrations. Keep it short, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. Challenge 2. Lack of personalization. Generic forms can't speak to different attendee types. VIPs, press, sponsors, and speakers all need tailored flows that match their role. Challenge 3. Slow or manual confirmations. Attendees expect instant confirmation. Delays or manual follow-ups create anxiety and extra work for your team. Challenge 4. Payment processing issues. If your payment gateway isn't reliable, secure, or supports global currencies, people might give up before buying tickets. Challenge 5. Data privacy concerns. Attendees are cautious about how their data is used. Be clear, transparent, and compliant with data privacy regulations. The best registration systems don't just collect names, they create a first impression. Fix these critical challenges and you'll boost signups, reduce friction, and start your event off right. Want expert solutions for each challenge? For detailed solutions and time-saving strategies, dive into our full guide, Overcoming Event Registration Challenges. You'll find everything you need to streamline your process and improve attendee conversion. The link is waiting for you below. Like, share, subscribe for smarter event planning.